Alright, so here's the state of the construction here. They've paved this. Pretty fresh, you can smell it. I guess they put in a new concrete slab there. Still working on stuff here. Got some, still the old cobble exposed. Love that. Loose gravel, indeed. Here we got a train coming. This is the one I'm trying to catch. And yeah, not much else different. Yeah, they paved that side too. They must do these early in the morning, and they put streetlights in. They did that last time too. I just forgot to mention it.